see chapter number 3, give and take, and in that chapter we will see something new. See, expand the numbers with different ways as per example. One example is given to us, number 56, and they expanded 56 in different ways. Okay, so 56. 50 plus 6, 56. Okay. Then again they expand the same number but different way. From 50 they minus 10. So here remain 40. And then that 10 they add in 6. So 6 becomes 16. So 40 plus 16 is also 56. Okay. Again 50 plus 6, 56. From 50, we minus 10. So 50 becomes 50 minus 10, 40. And then 10 we add in another number 6. So 10 plus 6, 16. So balance is same. We minus here 10 and we add that 10 in another number. So balance is same. So 40 plus 16 is equal to also 56. Then again they minus 10 from 40. So 40 minus 10, 30, and then 10 they add in 16. So 16 plus 10, 16 plus 10. 6 plus 0, 6, 1 plus 1, 2. So 16 plus 10, 26. Again they minus 10 from 40. So 40 minus 10, 30. And then that 10 they add in 16. So 16 plus 10, 26. Now the same way 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10, 20. And 26 plus 10, 36. If from one number we have to subtract 10. And in another number you have to add that 10. So the balance is same and number also same. We get the number 20 plus 36 is also 56. Again 20 minus 10, 10, and 36 plus 10, 46. So 10 plus 46 is also 56. Then 10 minus 10, 0, and 46 plus 10, 56. So 0 plus 56 is also 56. So we have number 56 and we have expanded the same number in different ways. Now we see the another example. We have 84. So first of all we expand 18 plus 4, 84. Okay. Now from 80 we subtract 10, means we minus 10. So 80 minus 10, 70. And then 10 we add in 4. So it is 10 plus 4, 14. So 70 plus 14 is also 84. Now again we subtract 10 from 70. So 70 minus 10, 60. And then 10 we add in 14. So 40 plus 10, 24. Now 60 minus 10, 50. And 24 plus 10, 34. So 50 plus 34 is also 84. Again we subtract 10 from 50. So 50 minus 10, 40. And then 10 we give to 34. So 34 plus 10 is equal to 44. Now again we subtract 10 from 40. So 40 minus 10, 30, and then 10 we give to 44, means we add 10 in 44. So it becomes 54. So 30 plus 54 is also 84. So I have 84 by different ways. Now we have number 128. So 1 is 100 place of 100 plus 28. 100 plus 28 is equal to 128. So from 100 we have to subtract 10 and that 10 we add in 28. So 100 minus 10. When we subtract 10 from 100 we get 90. And that 10 we add in 28. See 28 plus 10. So here the ones digit remain same. And here we have to add 1. So we get 38. Now again we subtract 10. So 90 minus 10, 80. And here we add 10. Ones digit remains same. And in 10 digit we have to add only 1. So it becomes 48. Then again subtract 80 minus 10, 70 plus here we have to add only 1 in 10's place. 1 digit remains same. So we get 58. Then 70 minus 10, 60. Here add 1 in 10's place. 1 digit remains same. So it becomes 68. Then again subtract 10 from 60, we get 50 and add 10 in 68, so we get 78. Okay. Now we have number 268. So 268 means 200 plus 68 is equal to 268. So from this side number we subtract 10 and in right side number we add 10. So we subtract 200 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1 is not possible. We borrow from 2. Here remains 1 and 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 1, 9 and 1. So what we get? 190. So when we subtract 10 from 200, we get 190 and that 10 we have to add in 68. Yes students, I told you that when we have added in any number, the ones place remain same and only 1 we have to add in 10's place. So here we added 1. So 6 plus 1, 7 and 8 means we get 78. 190 plus 78 is also 268. Again we subtract 10 from here. So 190 minus 10, 180. Here we add 10. So 78 plus 10, 88. Again we subtract 10. So we get 170 plus here we add 10. We get 98. Then again we subtract 10 from 170. We get 160. Okay, now dear students, if you confuse here, you do the rough work. 98 plus 10. 8 and 9 plus 1, 10. So we get here 108. Okay. Again 160 minus 10 we get 150. Here we have to add 10. Okay, so 108 plus 10. I told you that the ones digit remain same and the 10th digit we have to add only 1. So 1 digit remains same, it remains 8 only. In 10th place we have to add 1. So 0 plus 1, 1 and this 1. So it becomes 118. So I hope you have understood how to expand the given number by different ways. Now another example, it is also new for you, but I hope you will enjoy it. Add and subtract as per example. Here also one example is given to us. What is that? Number 40, 70 and 30. Three numbers are given to us. We can see that 40 and 30 are smaller than 70. 70 is biggest among these three numbers. So when we add 40 plus 30, 40 plus 30, what we get? 70. See, 40 plus 30, 0 plus 0, 0 and 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, 40 plus 30 we get 70. Now here we change the order of the number. They write 30 first and 40 second. So 30 plus 40, when we change the order of the number, the answer remains same. Okay? Here 40 plus 30, 70. Here only we change the order of the number, but the numbers remain same. So 30 plus 40 is also 70. So in 70 we have 40 and 30. Now from 70 we subtract 30. So what remains? 40 remains. Okay? In 70 is the addition of 40 plus 30, and from 70 we subtract, we cut 30, we get 40. And same way from 70 we subtract 40, what remains? We have, 40 minus 70 minus 40, we get 30. I give you simple example. See, in one class 5 boys are there and 3 girls are there. So total 5 plus 3, 8 students in a class. Okay, so when we add 5 plus 3, when we add two smaller numbers, the addition of two smaller numbers, we get 8 the third number. Okay, now I change the order of the number. If I want to write 5, 3 plus 5. So when we change the order of the number, the answer remains same. Okay, so 8. In 8, what is there? In 8, 5 boys and 3 girls are there. Now from 8, I subtract 5 boys. I remove 5 boys from 8. So what remains? Only 3 girls. Now suppose I subtract 3 girls from 8. 8 means total number of students. Okay? And from total number of students, I subtract 3 girls. So what remains? 5 boys. So without calculation, we can write the answer. Now we see another example, 20, 50 and 70. 20 and 50 are smaller than 70. So when we add two smaller numbers, we get answer that bigger number. See, 20 plus 50. We get 0 plus 0, 0 and 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, 20 plus 50 we get 70. Now I change the order of the number. 50 plus 20 we get 70. Means 70 is the addition of 20 plus 50 or 50 plus 20. Now from this 70, I subtract 50. Okay, so 70 minus 50 we get 20. Now I subtract 20 from 70. 70 minus 20 get 50. Because 70, in 70, what is there? In 70, 20 and 50 both are there. So from 70 we remove 50, only 20 remains. And suppose from 70 I remove 20, so only 50 remains. Again 88, 9 and 17. So first of all we have to find two smaller numbers. Okay, so 9 and 79, they are smaller than 88. So when we add two smaller numbers, we get bigger number. 9 plus 79, we get 88. If I change the order of the number, I write 79 first and then 9. But answer remains same. If we change the order of the number in addition, answer remains same. 79 plus 9, 88. Means in 88, what is there? In 88, 9 and 79, both are in 88. Now from 88, I subtract 9. From 88, I remove 9. So what remains? Only 79 remains. And from 88, I subtract 79. What remains there? 8. So without calculation, we can add the number and we can subtract the number. Now 75, 8 and 67. I told you we have to add the smaller number. When we add two smaller number, we get answer that bigger number. So 8 plus 67. What we get? 8 plus 67 we get 75. Change the order. 67 plus 8. Answer remains same. Now in 75, what is there in 75? In 75, 8 is there and 67 is also there. Because we add these two numbers, then we get 75. Now from 75, I remove 8. Means 75 minus 8. We subtract 8 from 75. We get answer 67. Now again from 75, I subtract 67. 75 minus 67, we get 8. Understood, dear students? So if you have this type of examples, so first of all you have to add two smaller numbers. When you add two smaller numbers, you get the bigger number in answer. And when you change the order of the number, the answer remains same in addition. Now from the bigger number, we subtract one smaller number, we get that another number in answer. See here we have 40, 70 and 30. So 70 minus 30 we get 40. And suppose we subtract 40 from 70. So 70 minus 40 we get 30. So I hope you have understood these examples. Try other examples yourselves. Till then, goodbye.